Hi guys, I have to document this because I'm so excited. So I've just got a parcel all the way from the United States from Vanessa at Ocean Knits. She's recently started dyeing her own yarn. She's into knitting, okay, she's a knitting queen. I've recently just started learning how to knit because I wanted to create her patterns that she has because her designs are amazing. And when I saw that she had started dyeing her own yarn, I kind of stopped my spending ban and I overspent on yarn. So I'm gonna open it for you guys. And then, yeah, I'm just so excited. I've waited, I think 20 days for this. So, and I've been tracking it every day and it wasn't updating the tracking and it's just come now. So I'm just so excited. So I'm just going to open this for you guys and you're going to be able to see what I bought. Normally I would rip the parcel open, but I'm going to carefully open it with some scissors so I can reuse the backing. I can't deal. I really can't deal. Oh my god! So I've literally been bombarding Vanessa since I discovered her about telling her how amazing she is and how I want to be her friend and stuff like that. So being able to receive these, I'm just super excited. Oh my god! Yes, so I've gone with two of her Siri yarns, which are alpaca and silk. I've never used this kind of yarn before, so I was very excited to see that she had some different fibres for me to try out. So here's the Siri colours. Oh, it's so soft. So yeah, these are the two beautiful Siri. I've just got my new winder as well, so I can't wait to wind these up because I've literally been addicted to using it ever since I got it. I'm going to be doing a review on that very soon because I got it from AliExpress. So I want to give you like a review on whether or not it was worth the money because it was a bit cheaper than everything else. And then I've got some DK yarn, which is merino. I hope I'm saying that right. And yeah, these ones are my favourite. Look. They're so beautiful. I'm so obsessed, and she's given me some gorgeous stitch markers. Oh my god, look at this beautiful stitch marker. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just. Oh, it's so beautiful. That's better. So it's a little seashell. She's given me some rainbow stitch markers. I don't know if we get that focus in. Got some little labels, and I've got a 10% off next order, and some stickers. Oh, and she's given me some freebies of a nice measuring tape, which is branded to Ocean Knits, and she's given me some rainbow cords. So these rainbow cords are, I'm pretty sure they go on the ends of your knitting needles. I've just literally opened them and checked them all up. But yeah, like very long ones she puts on the inside of the jar, how long they are. So they're bred 60 inches, 50 inches, and it goes all the way down to 10 with the different colours. Yeah, I can't wait to work on something with these this yarn. I haven't quite decided yet what I'm going to make, but yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed. Thank you so much. If you haven't already checked her out, she's phenomenal and she's amazing. Her work is incredible. It's Ocean Knits. I will tag below the yarns that I purchased from her website. I'll tag her Instagram as well. But yeah, have a lovely weekend.